Alright, hi guys, my name is Olivia and I like Britney Spears and unboxings. So today we're going to be unboxing my Sephora Play box. This is a subscription box that you can order from Sephora and it is only $10 a month. Excuse me, Bo. This is a subscription box from Sephora that you can order from their website. It is a subscription box that is supposed to be based on your beauty preferences and beauty profiles, skin type, hair color, eye color, whatever. So today we're going to be unboxing that. Before we get into it, make sure that you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on all my social media, link down below, and let's get into the video. Okay, so this is what we get in the box here. Of course, right on top, we always get a little pamphlet that tells us all the things that we are going to get in our bag. And you also get this little card as well. You can bring this into any Sephora or Sephora inside of JCPenney and you get 50 Beauty Insider points with any purchase. So you could buy anything and get an extra 50 points. So that's kind of cool. Oh, this is cute. So I think it's like a little kind of like New Year's resolution theme this month. So it's a beautiful 2018 resolve to up your beauty game this year with these monthly challenges. Oh, every month has a different challenge on here. This is kind of cute. So January's drink up. Drink lots of water. They have one for meditating, treating your hair, mask more, so all kinds of things like that. That's kind of cute. And then on the back here, it tells us stuff about the products, but I don't want to ruin the surprise. So next up in our box, we have a little beauty bag. So this one is, oh, that's cute. 2018 Happy New Year. That's super cute. All right, let's get into the bag. So, first up is, oh, okay, this is a little sample of the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. So this, I'm really excited to try this. I've heard awesome things about it. So it's a primer and a moisturizer in one. It has hyaluronic acid in it to help moisturize the skin, and niacinamide, which I don't know what that does, but it sounds nice. It says replace your moisturizer. I don't know about that, but intense hydration, feather lightweight texture, all in one power primer. So this is the size of the sample that you get. It's pretty small, and I kind of wish that it came with like a pump of some sort or even a dropper I would be into, because this is just like a little twisty top here that you screw off and screw on, and I don't know like exactly like, yeah, like this isn't super liquidy by any means, so it's kind of hard to get out of there. It's like getting ketchup out of a ketchup bottle. Like I'm not really about that, but yeah, I've felt this before. It feels really nice. It feels super lightweight on the skin. It adds instant hydration. I don't know if it'll actually make your makeup last longer, but Smashbox does have some bomb-ass primers. Like they're the original, like they're the OGs of primer. I'm excited to try this. I have dry skin, so this is definitely for my dry skin people. I'm all about that. Next in the bag, we have a foil packet. I've never gotten a foil packet in a Sephora Play box. I'm kind of disappointed about this, actually. All right, well, it is the Way Hair Care Treatment Mask, which that's nice. I'm always up for a good hair mask. I obviously color my hair. If you didn't know that, this is not my natural color. So yeah, you know, bleach it, dye it blue. There's a lot of things happening to my hair. So let's see what this says it will do. It doesn't say anything that it'll do. So let's refer to our pamphlet for that. Oh, here it is. It is a moisturizing hair treatment that protects and repairs damaged hair for soft, smooth strands. Simple. I mean, I like that. Anyway, I'm not a huge fan of the Way way stuff smells, but, and this is like, there's not a lot in here. Like, I have pretty short hair, so I think this would be enough for my hair, but if you had really long hair, this would not be enough. This is pretty disappointing. Next up, oh, this is a good one. We have a little lippy from ABH in here. This is their lip gloss in the shade Kristen. That's pretty classic. This is a really pretty, just kind of like pinky, mauve-y, nude kind of color. Their glosses are awesome. They're a little thick. And they always get on my teeth, but most things do. That's just who I am as a person. But it is like a really pretty, just kind of nudie pink color. Like, that would look good. I mean, that's definitely like, that's an Olivia color. Like, I would wear that 100%. So I'm okay with that. Next we have a Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. Let's see, squeeze generous amount into hands, add water, and vigorously rub hands together to create a foaming lather. Apply to dry face and massage over skin. That's kind of weird. I've never applied a face wash to dry skin. Okay. Use AM and PM. Rinse clean. Okay. I'll give this a try. I just feel like the foamingness of cleansers really like makes your face feel tight and dry. So I'm kind of curious to try this. Like, they like really hit it right on the mark with the primerizer. Like, yes, you have dry skin. This is something you will like. But then I don't know about this cleanser. And it's clearing. Like, what is in this that makes it clearing? You know, like, I don't have issues with acne necessarily, so I don't know about that. Okay, next up, ooh, we have a Boscia Exfoliating Peel Gel. Yes. So this is probably just like a exfoliator, but oh, it has a thing on it, like the safety seal. Okay. Let me try to get this open. Just want to feel a little bit. That was probably too much, but oh my God. This is so weird. It's like, okay, so it's like a liquidy kind of gel. Oh my God, I can't wait to use this on my face. And I just like put it on and started rubbing it, and I was like, it doesn't have any beads in it. There's no beads in here. And all of a sudden I was like, wait, are there beads? No, there are not. Oh my God, this is kind of gross, but seriously, like, that's all my dead skin that's coming off there. Oh, this is amazing. What is this called? Oh, exfoliating peel gel. This is insane. I am so excited about this. I cannot wait to use this on my face. Wow. Yes. See, like, sometimes you get really good stuff like that. Like, and my hand feels so smooth now. Yes. I'm living for that. I cannot wait to put that on my face. Oh my God. Okay. Last thing in the bag is, ooh, perfect timing. I am almost out of my eye cream. This is the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. There's no information about this on here. A hydrating and brightening under eye cream that's easy to pop into your bag for pick-me-ups throughout the day. Say goodbye to tired eyes with this moisturizing and brightening eye cream powered by peptides. It will keep you looking refreshed all day long, no matter how little sleep you got. I'm here for that. Okay. Just using a circular motion, apply a small amount directly to the under eye area in the morning or as needed throughout the day. Okay, so this is just like a morning eye cream. I feel like it's probably going to be kind of light, which would be nice to wear under makeup. I like the rounded kind of tip to that. Like, I feel like that would feel just good to kind of like massage on your under eye area. That would be kind of nice. Ooh, if it was metal, that would be even better. Then you could kind of do like a little like, ooh, like under eye massage situation. Okay, anyway, yeah, this feels really nice and lightweight. Oh, my hand, you guys, it's like baby soft right now. My hand has never felt this smooth. Like comparing this hand to this hand, I like these hands belong to different people. Anyway, the eye cream feels nice and lightweight. I feel like it would be a good one to wear under makeup. Feels hydrating. Those are good things. That was everything in our Sephora Play Box for the month of January this month. A couple of things that I'm really excited about. Really excited about this Smashbox primer. Can't wait to try that. And I am like beyond excited about this peel. I cannot wait to try this. Everything else is like, not living for this cleanser. Oh, wait a second. I just realized that we got 6 items in our box this month, and usually you only get 5 and you get the fragrance. So they put in an extra item and left out the fragrance. And I mean, maybe like this would I would say would be like equivalent to a fragrance sample, like the size of this product. So still not excited about this. Would have rather had a fragrance, but everything else in the box, I think this was a really good box for the month of January. Got a little bit of skincare, a little bit of makeup, a little bit of hair care. I would say that overall I am definitely happy with this month's box or bag from Sephora Play. Alright, if you like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, like it, subscribe to my channel, follow me on all my social media. Everything is linked down below at ohhmazing and ohhmazing makeup on Instagram. I am on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Snapchat. I'm everywhere, so follow me there. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Take me back to the planet.